Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we released a video on the weekend, the new format one that I mentioned late last week, and it seems to have received quite a bit of love. Lots of views, lots of comments, which is always really encouraging to see. And the other thing that was really encouraging for those that have watched that video, and if you haven't, I strongly encourage you to, there'll be a link down below. It was another example of the Bullion Now family coming together, and it was a challenging video, or a challenging week, a video about a challenging week, and it was nice to get a group hug from the Bullion Now family. It was really good. So thank you for all of those that viewed and participated. We just wanted to touch on a few of the comments that were made. I know there's a lot of curiosity as to how we got ripped off. Look, we don't want to go into too much detail for security reasons, obviously, but I guess I wanted to assure our viewers that it wasn't anything to do with any buybacks over the counter. It certainly didn't involve any of the staff specifically. Obviously, it did in an indirect manner. It was actually a web order, so done through our website, and it was a payment through PayPal, and that's where the hiccups started to occur, if you like. Again, don't want to go into too much detail, but it certainly didn't involve any of the staff from that side of it. So anyone that was concerned about that, you can relax. It's not something that was attacking that side of it. So it was one of those things where we did have procedures in place, and they probably weren't as robust as they should have been. So we've beefed up those procedures to stop it happening again. It was, it wasn't pleasant, it wasn't good, but it was certainly a learning experience. So I'm not saying I'm glad it happened, I'm certainly not, but I am glad that it didn't involve anything over the counter or any of those sort of things, because that would have been very disappointing. And I know the guys would have been devastated. There was one of the comments made, and there's been so many comments made on that video, it's a bit hard to pull up individual ones, but somebody mentioned things about at a previous place they worked where if you made a mistake and it lost the company money, they'd dock your wage. And I can just imagine the conversation that I'd have with some of our workers where I said, we're going to dock your wage, $6,000. I think they'd have kittens. So, I think that would be a quick way to lose some of our very, very, very good employees, and I'm not about to do that. So some of the comments that did get made that I wanted to touch on, or some of the other comments that got made, a few people had a go at me over defending Coles and Woolies. I absolutely was not defending Coles and Woolies in any form. My example was more to demonstrate the fact that it's not just small businesses that are suffering from from these rip-offs, these examples of where people aren't doing the right thing. It stretches all the way from the little guys all the way through to the much larger organisations, the multi-billion-dollar ones. So, we're certainly not defending anyone's ethics on that, just a generalised comment. One of the other things that I just absolutely spun me out was a few people have actually donated to the cause. They've actually said, we enjoy the family so much that we'd like to help cover your losses, and I can't tell you how much that means to us. That's absolutely amazing. So we've actually isolated those people off, and we're actually going to send them out a gift. So thank you very, very much, and just to show our appreciation, we are going to send you something back. So I got to say, the Bullion Now family spins me out on a daily basis, and this one no less than any other time. Look, we are planning on doing more of that format. It seems to have touched a bit of a nerve with people. They seem to be enjoying it. Only one comment on my driving, which I was expecting a few more of that, but you can rest assured I didn't touch any camera equipment or anything inside the vehicle. It was all voice activated as I was driving down the road. As far as I'm aware in Victoria, and somebody may point out that I've done something wrong, and if I have, I will apologise. But as far as I'm aware, I complied with all the laws I could find on Vic Roads and the VicPol websites in regards to personal devices in vehicles. But it was all automated, and I didn't take my eyes off the road, I don't think, at any point. So as far as I'm aware, we ticked all the boxes. So thanks everyone for your support, your warm hugs that came through your comments and your likes. It was fantastic and very, very refreshing and encouraging. We will be doing more of these musings videos in the coming future, so stay tuned in for those. If you've got any musings you'd like me to muse about, you can certainly send them through on comments below and we'll see what we can do about it. That's it for now. We will talk again very, very soon. See ya.